Tell me, what did you just ask me?
The last time when I was with my dad, I was scared, but when I was in my grandpa's house, I was a little scared, but then since
That's not what you just said.
What?
You asked me if I told you if you're gonna be like me, you're gonna have to work every day and go to work. And you said, can you? What did you ask me then?
Can you get paid money while you're surfing?
Uh-huh. So there it is, Naomi, 6 years old. And it's 2020, August. She's fine. She's asking, first time in her lifetime, she is curiously interested if she could get paid for doing surfing. Let's see what it turns into. Maybe one day you'll become a professional surfer. Hey, come here, Naomi. Come this way. Come this way. Just want to show the scenery. We're in beautiful Pacific Beach, right?
I'm not sure.
We're about to go to the water, do some real cool surfing.
Yeah, we're gonna make a video, and there's a board that has a video, so you can make a video.
The board has a video camera. I didn't take my GoPro this time, but yeah, this is our board. Naomi is gonna be catching some waves, right, honey?
Yes, because I practiced at my grandpa's house.
Good job. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.